So I got in a couple of the Sliceworx plates, and this is off the Mini. And for the most part, breaking the models off the bed's been pretty easy. Getting this off's been a pain. And you're not supposed to use a metal scraper and all that because it will damage the surface. I get it. So I started printing plastic ones, right? This one's PLA, and it lasted like, you can see the edge there, it lasted like, if I can get the focus, 2 prints. So I started breaking out other filaments, and so this is ASA, and it seems to be working the best if I can get under an edge. That one seems to be working the best. Now, I did one PA6, and I don't know if you can see that. Whoop, 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 whoop. Yeah, nylon doesn't want to be a good scraper, so PA6 is a bad choice. I did one PET G, but it kind of broke down a little too quick as well, just like the PLA one did. So, so far, ASA seems to be the best material. First, I did print a few spares.